The Tunisian Purl Stitch has a no curl element to it, and you can use it at the hem of something to keep it from curling. And you can also use it for texture and rib look items. What I found interesting, and I was very surprised to discover after 20 years of knowing Tunisian crochet, some of you may know this already, this is reverse stitch, which is exactly the same as the purl stitch. And the back of the purl stitch is exactly the same as the reverse stitch. Okay, I don't know when we might need to have this information, but there you go. To make a Tunisian purl stitch, you skip the first vertical bar here, and you are going to be working in the front vertical bar. Here's the back vertical bar. It goes up into the chain and back down the back. You're going to be doing a simple stitch, but you're going to have the yarn in the front. So bring the yarn to the front with the hook, then insert the stitch, and then I like to hold the purl right there to keep it from getting too tight. And then you just work across. And I have 10 stitches here. Yarn in the front, yarn in the front. Now I like to hold it there so it doesn't get too tight and disappear into the fabric. Tunisian Purl Stitch does have a way of helping combat the curling of Tunisian crochet. The last stitch can be made under the 2 bars as normal, or you could purl it if you really wanted to complete the entire look across. Chain 1 to begin, and then yarn over and pull through 2 all the way across. The last loop on your hook will be the first stitch of the next row. See, it has that little purl bump.